I'm Elizabeth Greenberg, and I'm the Vice President of Academic Affairs at Maine Media Workshops in College. I'm so excited by the things I see happening within the world of fine art photography now, and the way that writing, images, and books are coming together, and of course, programs, all three of which we offer here at Maine Media. Leading in the field right now, we have Sal Taylor-Kydd, Susan Burnstine, and Richard Tuschman, all three teaching here this summer in courses that will help their students find their personal vision, find their personal voice, work from inspiration to create fictitious images, if that's the best way to tell their story. Sal Taylor-Kydd is a poet, a book artist, and a photographer, combining all three media to tell personal stories and share images and experience of what it means to see the world through youthful eyes from different perspectives. Susan Bernstein's class in Finding and Telling Your Own Personal Narrative is a powerful week for the students there as they learn how to find themselves in their images, and using what they find, begin to refine the portfolios that they'll develop and how to use their personal experience and their personal narrative to insert it into their photographs and tell compelling stories from the personal voice that speaks to the universal experiences. Richard Tuschman's work is being exhibited all over the world right now, a powerful mentor who creates fictitious narratives in his images, working through photography and darkroom work in the digital darkroom. He has the ability to help students understand how to create conceptual narratives, constructed images, and insert their own stories or the ones they imagine into the images they create.
Addicted to the fast life, feels like we're living in the past life.